Hi, Ken here. Today let's talk about creating a bird food garland. There's a few things you'll need as well as a variety of different foods you can use. First off, you'll need a needle and thread. For food items, you can use something like popcorn. If you're using popcorn, make sure it's air popped and does not have any salt or butter on it. There are a variety of different seeds you can use. First, we have some pumpkin seeds, and this would be a good use for your pumpkin seeds after Halloween. Here we have some hulless seeds. Peanuts can also be used. Make sure they are not salted or flavored in any way. You can go out into your yard and take some seed heads from plants. Here we have some coneflower seed heads. You can also use millet sprays, and you can find these at pet stores. Finally, you can use fruit such as raisins and cranberries. First, we'll need a length of string, and you can make this as long or short as you want. Right here I am using upholstery string. This is a little bit thicker. If you're using a thinner string, you may want to double it up before making your garland. Before you start stringing your food onto your string, make sure you tie a knot at the end so the food doesn't fall off. Then simply take whatever food you want to place on there, poke your needle through it, and then string it until the end. If you're doing this with kids, have them do patterns, and this is a good way to incorporate math into this as well. And you're just going to keep putting these different food items on there until you have completely filled up your garland. If you decide to use dried fruit, it may be a good idea to soak that first. It'll make it a little easier to string and also a little bit easier for the birds to eat. Once you are done stringing your food onto your garland, you want to tie a knot at the end, again, so your food does not fall off of there. And a few pointers. Popcorn probably is not the best food to be feeding birds, so you want to use this sparingly. Additionally, popcorn as well as the fruit may go bad after a while, so you may want to check your garland occasionally to make sure it's not fermenting or molding, and if it is, you want to remove that garland. Once your garland is all ready, you can go out and put this up on trees or shrubs you may have in your landscape. If you used a real Christmas tree for Christmas and you save that, you can also decorate your tree with that. Thanks for watching, and keep on growing.